So this is how you create modules using Canvas. First, once you've logged in, get to your dashboard, you'll go ahead and click the desired course that you want to use. So for this one, we're going to click here, this course. It'll take you to the Courses tab, which will consist of all of the items within a particular course. It'll eventually take you to the home page, which you can see in this list of blue links right here. To create a module, you'll need to go to the modules link and click it. Once you're in the modules link, then there are two ways to create a new module. One way would be to use this Add Module button here with the blue plus in the module in it, or you can select this icon with 3 interconnected squares above the words Create a New Module. This occurs if there are no modules in the course. Once you click it, it will instruct you to add a module name. Here, we'll type week 1, and it'll give you the option to lock the module to a certain time and date that you can input here using this calendar and this time selector. Once you've named your module, you'll then be able to add the module. This is the empty module. There are 3 icons that will allow you to publish the module, add items to the module, or manipulate settings for the module. These settings include editing the module, moving contents within the module, moving the module, deleting it, duplicating it, sharing it, or favoriting it. For now, let's add an item to the module. Here, it'll ask you what the type of item you're going to be adding to it. So here is a drop-down selector. And once you select it, you have the option between adding an assignment, a quiz, a file, page, discussion, text header, which can be used to group and chunk information, an external URL, or an external tool. Once you select the kind of item that you're going to be including, let's add a text header. It will then ask you to specify the information you want to put in there. For this one, we will say homework. And then it'll ask you to provide an indentation. For this one, we won't indent it. We'll just leave it as is. And then we'll click Add Item here. So, let's add another module just to show you what else it can do. Go ahead and click this Add Item button here on the Week 1 gray bar. And this time we will select the drop-down box and go to Assignment. Here lets you add different assignments that you may have already made to the module. For this one, you can select previous assignments, or you can select a new assignment. If you select a new assignment, it will ask you to give the assignment a name. It'll also give you the option to indent. For this one, we're going to just select assignment 1, and again, for now, we'll go ahead and indent it 1 level. So this places this assignment under the homework tab. So this is a homework assignment. if you wanted to flop these modules around, you can click on the 8 dots here and then drag it up or down. Then if you wanted to add another module, you could click the Add Module button here up top. You can give the module another name, week 2, and then you can add a prerequisite as well as lock it like the other one. Here you would add the prerequisite and you would select the previous module that would be required to complete it before you could move on to the next one. And then once you do that, you can add the module here. And then you can go ahead and add different items into the module. As you can see, the modules also have their own symbols, which is another publish symbol and more settings. Here you can increase or decrease the indent of a module, an item in a module. You can edit it, move it, or remove it. So here I'll go ahead and decrease the indent, like so.